Welcome all. In this video, we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 7.2. The question is, in the isosceles triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. This AB and AC are equal. The bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. So, OB and OC are the bisector of angle B and C, and both intersected at O at this point. We have to join A and O. We have joined here A and O. Now we have to prove that OB is equal to OC. OB and this OC will be equal. This one we have to prove. And angle A is bisected by AO. So it will be OA. OA bisect angle A. So this one we have to prove. Now if we can show this triangle and this triangle congruent, then we can easily prove OB is equal to OC. But before proving these two triangle congruent, we have to prove this angle and this angle are equal. So how can you show this angle and this angle equal? Here given what? AB is equal to AC. This one given. Now if AB is equal to AC, then angle B will be equal to angle C. What we can do? We can divide both angle B and angle C by 2. Then what we will get? Y will get, because this angle and this angle are equal, as OB bisect angle B as well as OC bisect angle C. So this angle and this angle also will be equal. So we can write here half of B is A B O and half of C is angle A C O. This is the full angle and half will be this angle or this angle. We have written AOB. Here also same. So this one we have proved. Now in triangle A B O and triangle A C O, we have AO common. AO common, you can see in the both the triangle AO is common, so it is common side. And AB is equal to AC is given. This one is given. This side and this side is equal. This one is given. And we have just proved that AOBO is equal to ACO. So we have proved this one. That is, triangle ABO is equal to triangle ACO by side angle side criteria. Now as these two triangle equal, so OB will be equal to OC by the rule of CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. This one is the 1 number. And we have to prove also that OA bisect angle A. This one bisect angle A. So we know if these two triangles are congruent, then this angle and this angle will be equal because they are the corresponding parts. So we can write here OAB is equal to angle OAC by CPCT. That means OA bisect angle A. So this is how we can prove question number 1. Now question number 2 of 7.2. Here the question is, in triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector, that is, this angle and this angle become 90 degree. And this side and this part will be equal because AD bisect BC. AD bisector of BC. We have to show that ABC is the isosceles triangle where AB and AC equal. Just we have to show this side and this side equal. So to prove this side and this side equal, we can show this triangle and this triangle congruent. So here we can write given AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. This will be BC. So to prove AB is equal to AC. So here in triangle ADB, this triangle we have considered, and you have to consider this triangle also. So and triangle ADC, you can see AD is common. It is equal to AD, common side, and angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, because both are 90 degree, and BB is equal to BC because AD bisect BC. So triangle AB ABD or ABD is congruent to triangle ABC by side angle side criteria. That means AB is equal to AC by CPCT because they are the corresponding parts of these two triangles. So ABC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Thank you.